now is really the time to make sure everything's in order. We're talking your insurance policy and whether that will protect you if those storms come through.
10 TV's Carla Rogner reports from Pataskala on what homeowners need to know.
You can still see the path here in these woods in Pataskala that an EF2 tornado took last year before it wiped out Jeff DeBoard's garage and barn. A year later, there is still damage to clean up, but he's glad he had his insurance to help him.
Now, every time a storm comes through, I'm a nervous wreck.
Jeff DeBoard will never forget the morning of February 28th, 2024.
The barn was in the middle of the yard. Just looked like dynamite hit it.
Thankfully, his insurance covered nearly all the damage.
All new siding on the house, windows, roof, everything.
Insurance agent Aaron Curtis says now's the time to make sure your house is ready to brace for impact.
Make sure that you're looking at things like your roof, your siding. Are there things that are already potentially damaged or need attention that could get worse if a storm was to come through?
Curtis recommends setting up a meeting with your agent to review your policy and ask what's covered in the event of a storm. It's also important to know your deductible.
The number one question would be is how much is the home insured for as far as the dwelling? If you're a homeowner that has other structures like a pole barn or a detached garage or a garden shed, if you have something else on your property that would be another structure, you want to make sure that you've got appropriate coverage for that as well.
DeBoard says he feels lucky he kept a low deductible.
Know your agent, be in contact with your agent.
While he never could have predicted the storm, he's glad his insurance was ready for it.
I don't think anybody can be prepared for it totally, but there are things you can do that we talked about that will help you out.
For the DeBoard family, there is some anxiety entering another storm season, but they're hoping that what they've been through can help other families prepare. Coming up at 6, I'll share 3 things an insurance agent says every homeowner can do before severe weather strikes. Reporting in Pataskala, Carla Rogner, 10 TV News.